Hello parents, have you ever wondered whether you should be more involved in your child's education? While giving children space to grow independently is important, active parental involvement on the other side can have a tremendous impact on your child's success stories and their journey throughout their life. Like firstly, it boosts academic success. Research shows that children whose parents are more involved in their studies perform better academically. Whether it's helping with their homework or discussing school, your support can boost their confidence and performance, ultimately leading to good higher grades and their behavior. And the next thing is parental involvement can instill positive study habits in children. Parents who guide their children can help them develop strong study habits like time management skill, organization skill, and goal setting skills. It also helps to build emotional support. Like children who know that their parents care about their education tend to feel more supported, reducing their academic stress. And they get to know more about their strengths and weaknesses, working on their strengths and weaknesses, make them feel more comfortable with exams, tests, and anything they do in their life. I believe that parental involvement in children education also strengthens communication. Like being involved create opportunities for open dialogue. This helps parents identify struggles early on and guide their children to overcome them. Now, what actually parental involvement means? Parental involvement doesn't mean doing the work from them, but rather guiding them toward this success by staying engaged in your child learning journey. You help them building a strong foundation for both academic and personal growth. That's the reason it's my humble request to all the parents out there to get involved into the child's education, to support them academically as well as emotionally.